Do you know the topics that will be tested on your CMA Part 1 exam? It's totally fine if you don't know, because in today's episode, I'll demystify the CMA Part 1 syllabus so you know exactly what you have to study and don't have to waste your time on anything else. And stay until the end to get a copy of my free CMA exam cheat sheet that will help you ace your CMA Part 1 exam. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my show. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I publish a new episode every single Monday. Hey there, I'm Nathan Liao from CMAexamacademy.com, where we help candidates like you pass the CMA exam on their first attempt. In the past 7 years, I've had over 35,000 CMA candidates seek my guidance, and I'm very glad that you're here today because it's an opportunity for me to do the same for you. So in today's episode, I'm going to demystify the CMA Part 1 syllabus so you know what to study and what to ignore. I understand that most of you, including myself, we are very busy professionals, so when it comes to preparing for the exam, you want to zero in on those topics that you know for a fact you'll be tested on. So the CMA Part 1 exam is titled Financial Planning, Performance, and Analytics, and is broken down into 6 main domains. And I'll give you the breakdown of each one. So here we go. Section A is called External Financial Reporting Decisions, and it makes up 15% of the total exam content that you'll be tested. Domain B is called Planning, Budgeting, and Forecasting, and this is the first domain that is one of the largest ones at 20% of the total content that you'll be tested on the exam. Domain C, Performance Management, is also the second largest domain in Part 1 with a 20% dedicated just to Domain C. Domain D, Cost Management, comprises of 15% of the total of the content that you'll be tested on the exam. Domain E, Internal Controls, also makes up 15% of the total content of the exam. And Domain F, Technology and Analytics. This is the brand new domain in the CMA Part 1 exam. It comprises of 15% of the total exam content that you'll be tested on. And the IMA added this particular domain because technology is advancing so fast with machine learning, artificial intelligence. So as management accountants, we have to be prepared for tomorrow's economy. Having a vast knowledge or deep knowledge on technology and analytics will help us stay competitive and ahead of the game. Now let me ask you this, which domain seems the most interesting to you? Let me know in the comments section below. Probably your next question is, how much should I study to learn every single domain at a proficient level? In order to pass the CMA exam on your first attempt, I'm gonna list 6 cognitive skills that you need to develop in order to be able to accomplish and pass on your first try. So number 1, knowledge retention. That goes without saying, without remembering what you study is going to be impossible to pass. So the first skill that you need to develop, if you haven't already, is to be able to remember what you study. And obviously, the content of the exam is not easy. And there's a video that I have on the best study technique that will help you retain at least 80% of what you learn. It's called SQ3R, and I'll link the video in the comments below so that way you know where to go to watch it, okay? But the first skill, the first cognitive skill that you need to develop, or sharpen rather, is knowledge retention. Number 2, comprehension. That's the second skill that you need to develop in order to pass the exam. And what does it mean? It means that you'll need to have the ability to grasp and interpret information in business settings that is provided to you within a question in your exam. Number 3 is the ability to apply what you learn in new business scenarios, especially when it comes to essay scenarios, because in your exam, you're going to have 2 essays, and in each essay, they'll provide you with a business scenario where you need to apply everything that you've learned in your studies to that particular scenario. Number 4 is the ability to analyze. In other words, the ability to break down information, connect the dots and come up with informed new ideas in specific and challenging business situations. Number 5, you will have to synthesize information to form a whole new set of ideas and formulate your hypotheses. And number 6, and the last cognitive skill that you have to develop to pass your exam is evaluation. We have demystified the CMA exam syllabus, and in addition to that, we have listed the 6 cognitive skills that you need to sharpen in order to pass your CMA exam on the first try. I have an exam secrets cheat sheet that I think will also help you pass the exam, and to get a free copy, all you have to do is click on the link below, enter your email, and I'll send you the free PDF to your mailbox. If you want more episodes about the CMA exam, about CMA preparation, about any topic related to the CMA, subscribe to the show, like this video, and share it with your friends and colleagues. So I'm gonna leave you with one question. Which cognitive skill comes the easiest to you and why? Leave it in the comments below. I look forward to connecting with you. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.